Generation X, those born between 1965 and 1980, we oft ignore middle child between the bombastic boomers and the beleaguered millennials, have persevered through three market downturns: the 1987 stock market crash, the dot-com bubble crash in 2001, and, of course, the 2008 housing crash, which, according to the National Bureau of Economic Research, actually began in December 2007 and ended in June 2009 and is referred to as the Great Recession. The generation derided for being apathetic and disaffected have actually proved to be resilient and resourceful, as we bounced back from multiple financial devastations. But we haven't prepared enough for retirement, stuck with lingering student loan debt, being caregivers for our aging parents, and parenting young and teenage children for those of us who are not child-free. According to some studies, less than 2% of Gen X have saved enough to be on track for retirement. 43% of us are behind in savings, 17% of us are not saving or investing, 50% of folks between the ages of 57 and 42 worry about running out of money after they start working. These statistics are scary, but not all is lost. If we start today, we can be better prepared once we do reach our golden years. Let's learn a few retirement saving strategies and set some short-term, easy goals so we can enjoy our unfortunately fast approaching golden years.